A dragon without its rider is a tragedy. A rider without their dragon is dead.